Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ug karon guys, ang akong anak gusto niya nga mag swimming pool sa yard. Lagduhan ni daddy nag-prepare na. Kay ganahan siya mag swim or slide. Nami gamay nga swimming pool, nagpalit mi sa una niya karon iya na pong gamiton. So atong tanawon mga higala. So Nadia mga higala nag-prepare na butang nag-blanket kay para dili mabosdot ang swimming pool kay takabawg na yung mga tunok-tunok. So og diri silang daddy butang naghangin nag-prepare adto ta sa gawas. So there he is.
It's because it's not done yet.
Nabutangan na og hangin.
It's supposed to be another. Oh, here it is, right here.
Yeah, have there.
Right here.
Yeah, okay.
Just in the bottom one. I think we should have done the bottom one first.
There you go. Ano yung mga gamit para mabutangan o hangin ang swimming pool. Kani siya, mo ni siyang manual nga imorang manual like that. Pero dobe kay mahuman. So ipalit mi aning electric para dali ra mahuman. So dali ra kayo.
I'm just making the water cold.
Yeah, there he is.
You got me walking through.
Daddy slowly to walk kay sakit iyang tuhod. Okay, there you go.
So what now?
And where you put the slide in here? A
Down
water slide.
Right from the pool there. Walk next to the pool.
I'm wet.
You hot?
I'm wet.
Daddy hot. Okay. There is the water slide. Anong water slide ni RJ? Among gipalit on niya.
Going in.
Include na siya ang buns o balloon, 100 pesos.
Let's play.
Go barefoot on me.
Just barefoot, RJ. Just take off your shoes. There is RJ. Pot na yung mga dulaan.
Stop it. Let him in.
Yung mga dulaan, tadawa. Yan ang gibutang. Nandoda. Don't making with mom. There is. Okay. Nya ang akong garden. Daga nagsagbot. O niya ako ang mga apples nga akong ipang botang din yun. Tagas na kayo. Ano siya? Huwag na siya bunga.
I'm sitting here.
Okay, so hot.
I'm sitting here.
Nawa yung bunga. Dua ra ka buok. Na din hida. Ara. Gamay pa. What? Ha?
Wanna come in? Just step in?
Yeah, later. So little the water, RJ.
It's like hot in here for some reason. Oh wait, give me a second. So this?
Yeah. It's so hot. Okay. So mauni siya mga higala ang buns o balloon nga magipalit sa Amazon. 5 to 12 years old. O include na siya ang water slide nga naa diha. Huwag among ibutang aniya. So mauni siya. O magpaabot pa mi nga mapuno na sa tubig ang swimming pool. Anan si RJ mag ligo-ligo kay init na kaayo. So nara si RJ, nagkuha na siyang towel. Put there, RJ, in the chair. That there. Why you put that there?
Because that's where it goes.
It's not that included there.
Yes, it is.
No. What you doing?
Jesus.
What? What you do? You scare me, RJ. Why that pants you wear is so small?
It's a lonely pants. I have one of them.
No, have there.
My other ones.
You have a big there. Okay, paabot pa may mga higala. Tanawang bukid na pa siya gamay nga snow. Murag di kayo makita sa kamera. Tondo da. Okay, we put now the slide, RJ. We put the slide now. Okay, we wait for to fill up that water in there. There guys, the bunch of balloon, RJ.
Yeah, no, I hold them.
There is.
I think we need a.
Got the
Bigger.
36, that RJ.
Somewhat like that.
Wait. Just pull down that letter wait.
Supposed to shake off and then.
Yeah, but
No, no. Look over
not yet
this.
full, look. You put that. Don't make me wet. There is RJ. Try to throw it in there.
This one.
Yeah. Why baseball? Ah.
That I wasted one. I'm not gonna waste any more, okay?
So mga igala, mao ni among gigamit mga igala sa pag air pump sa swimming pool. Mani siya. Dali ra kayo kay electric pump man. Okay mga igala, ako ni ilabay ni RJ.
That's a broken balloon. Might as well throw it out.
Let's see if it works. You're so far away. No. Yeah. I throw to your butt. Uy, not work. See, it's hard that RJ. Home run. See.
Come on.
Okay, RJ nag-slide, water slide. See, so small, RJ. Look at that. So small. See, that's so small. That in the top here.
No, should I start here?
No, you're slanting like that.
So I'm gonna start there and slide there.
No, like that.
Okay, alright. I'm not going down like that.
Yeah, because so small.
Don't help me. That's the front. You. This is the front. You go first. A lot.
Hey, go move. No slanting, actually, not like this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Like that. There you go.
Yeah.
Give me the stick.
Okay.
Put the stick in here.
That's a water
Let's
to
see.
leave.
Okay.
Oh yeah, just that.
Yep, so that easy. Work it. There you go.
Water.
And we put water in there, RJ. Here. We put water there too. I told you, here first. Okay. Put in there so that have water. You know how to do? And then what you do?
I'm gonna put on jet.
Okay.
Slowly.
Okay.
Slowly.
Okay, but here you cannot fit the hose. It's no
how
good.
do you put it, this, mommy? You put this on. You put this on and tell me when you're ready, okay?
Okay. Oh God. So difficult to put this. Oh, there is.
Keep going.
It's better fall, I guess.
Just keep going. Go for a while. Keep going.
Not yet.
Still got more in. Okay. We're good. That's good enough for
Ah.
this.
Ah, it's so hard.
You good?
Yeah.
Yay!
Quick fix. Are you?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, go. Go, Arjuna.
Oh yeah, wait. Let it keep going. This whole thing has to fill up.
And there is, I put now.
Here, it has to fill up with water. Oh yeah. See?
Look at that, it's so small.
I'm going.
Cannot do, RJ. Say, your shoes, RJ. Take off your shoes. See, cannot do.
Yes, you can. This
Can.
needs more water. Needs water.
Water so little.
Okay, get out of the way,
See?
mommy.
Like that. So small. Not for big person. For the small kids. Only this, RJ. See that? It's so small.
It needs more water.
What you do?
Okay, slowly, right? Now, mommy, it's time for you.
I not want to make wet. Stop, I not want to make wet.